My name is Michael Huang, Senior Research Fellow of Ocean Policy Research Institute, or OPRI, affiliated in the Sasakawa Peace Foundation, based in Tokyo, Japan. I also serve as the advisory board of the Ocean Impact Navigator 1000 Ocean Startups Coalition supported by the World Economic Forum. I'm very honored to join the International Ocean Forum 2025 in Taiwan with experts and stakeholders from the globe. This year marks the super year for the ocean. We hope through these inclusive dialogues, we will be able to articulate narrative approach to enrich our ocean. More importantly, to prosper the blue economy and ocean investments, we need to find the potential ocean industry and startups with comprehensive impact assessments from the scientific, environmental, and socio-economic aspects. I believe that together we will make that great ocean. I look forward to meeting you all. Thank you.